I want all of you guys to start moving stuff from your wish list to your cart, as after watching this video, you will have at least $500 of cash to spend for that perfect outfit you have always been wanting to buy. Let me tell you this, you guys are in for a treat today. I have found a new technique which is going to pay you thousands of dollars every single month for absolutely free. How cool is that? This is literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. My brother has been testing this out for more than 2 months now, and he has made over $5,000 in that period. He is taking me out for sushi tonight to say thank you. I can guarantee you guys, if you follow this video step by step and do exactly as I say, then no one can stop you from getting the same results. My jaw literally dropped when I first learned about it. This is the best way to make money online out there. I have never seen anyone else mention this online before. This is absolutely incredible, and this method is also beginner-friendly and is available worldwide. This method does not require you to have any prior experience, so it does not matter if you have never tried to make money online before. I received a lot of comments saying, "We want to make money fast." So here you go, guys. Now without a further ado, let's hop on to the first app that will help you make thousands of dollars every single month just by sitting at your home. The name of this website is Hey Money Crushers. Welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my money crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. As I mentioned previously, make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. Now with the website I'm going to share today, you can expect to make around $800 a day. After you get your first paycheck, my only advice is don't spend it all on drugs. I'm just kidding, give your friends and yourself an amazing feast when you make money using this method. Now before you start making money with this website, you should have your PayPal account set up and ready to receive payments. Once you are done with that, I want you to head over to creativelive.com. This is a website that helps people learn new skills that they love. They have over 2,000 classes that people can navigate through and over 5 million creators. Don't worry, you are not going to learn a new skill to get paid. Instead, I want you guys to head over to the very bottom of this page where the real money is hidden. Now before I move on any further, I want my money crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Once you are at the bottom of the webpage, click on Become an Affiliate. This is going to redirect you to the webpage that we are looking for. Unlike any other affiliate program that you might have ever seen, this website is going to pay you 30% of their revenue they make. You can even track your sales in real time and make even more money as they will be tracking the customer for a period of 30 days. Now the question you guys might have is that, Stacy, I don't have an audience. How do I get people to sign up for this thing? Don't worry, money crushers, Stacy has got it all covered. You don't need to spend a single dollar to achieve this. Don't believe me? Come with me, I'll show you. Before you follow me to the next app, sign up for the affiliate program on creativelive.com. Once you are done with that, I want you guys to open a new browser window and open Quora.com. Now Creative Live offers classes in all areas. Under the self-improvement section, I have selected time management classes. There are a lot of people out there who are struggling with this exact problem. Just search on Quora for related questions like how to be more productive or how to manage time. You can see a lot of people have already posted questions regarding this topic. All you gotta do is reply to them saying, I just found out this amazing course that has helped me tremendously. You should definitely check this out. And then drop your affiliate link for the course. And bang, start the timer, cause you will receive a notification for your first sale in no time now. I can't wait for you guys to make money using this new method I just shared. Now for my money crushers who always want more out of everything, here is a bonus tip for you. You can repeat the same exact process on other forum websites like Reddit or even start replying to people in Facebook groups using the exact strategy I just shared. Following this tip, you will easily double your income and will be making a lot more money. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.